So this is the water coming from Shooter's Hill, and this is not a river in dry times, but this is what it is in rain. So there's a JUTC bus coming now, just to give you a judgment of where the water is at. Look at the front of the bus. Alright, so people, this is out by 7 miles at Harbour View. There is currently a traffic standstill. Given the amount of water that is on the road, the traffic has backed up. Go right back. I am over by St. Benedict's. I'm trying to show you behind. So that is where the traffic is going. So there's a 3-lane traffic going one way, or a traffic gridlock. Water is at the bonnets of some of these vehicles. Trust me, the water ain't pretty. So you have persons trying to get to St. Thomas, and you have persons trying to get through to Kingston, and trust me, this is water that is just has not been seen. Even the recent floods, this is by far surpassed that. So peeps, stay dry, stay safe.
Why, I don't know you come out, you know, but look around the Benedict, I see you around there, the lucky thing at the bus way, you know. Why, a big sea around there. Prefer to stay in, back foot, I said stay, all over the plaza, full, everywhere. I see you around there.
No man, catch you all like because
So I have a view mash up. May I have your number?
So the land has finally given way, and it's getting worse. That hill, this is by 7 miles going towards 8 miles in Bull Bay, and trust me, the hill has given way, and this is now the road, and everything is going into the sea.
Watch out. Yeah. No more than I know the whole stuff now. Oh, somebody want to work out.